This is the LeadNear 4-pack of polished towel hooks. Let's take it out of the box. In the box is a little instruction booklet and the 4 hooks. I've taken one out of the bag. In each bag is the hook itself, plus this little bag, which includes an Allen wrench and a couple of screws and wall anchors. They're a little hard to see in there. So these are the hooks here. Rounded design, so they're safe. They're lightweight. They're fine all around. Polished stainless steel. It's 304 stainless steel. And you could mount these on, let's say, a door or a wall or anything that you'd like. And you can hang towels off of that, bathrobes, clothes, anything like that. You just hook it over the top there and it'll hang. And these are nice and strong also. They can hold up to 10 kilograms or 22 pounds. They're also easy to mount up. In here is the bracket itself, which is held in with the set screw there. And they can mount either with screws or with super glue. They include a little tube of super glue with it that you can use to glue that on there. So I'm going to show you how to install these now, and then we'll hang something off of it. So the first step is to get the little Allen wrench they give you and locate the set screw, which is on the bottom. And then what you do is put the Allen wrench in, and we're going to unscrew the set screw until the mounting bracket falls out. Now if you don't unscrew that all the way, it'll stay in there so you don't lose it. So just do it until it falls out in this orientation. Let gravity have it come out. And now with this, you can see you can either put super glue on the back of that and affix it to the surface, or you can mount it with screws. That's what I'm going to do here. So if you were mounting this to wood, for example, like I'm doing here, we can just put this up. You don't have to worry about it being level or anything because of this slot, so you can get it just right wherever you want. So we're just going to hold it there and just mark a couple of holes. So I have my marks there, and now we're going to go ahead and drill them out. So I have a drill bit here, and I'm going to go and drill out my marks that I've made. So now that we have our marks drilled out, we're going to just put the screw through the top and stick it in that hole that I drilled, and we're going to go ahead and tighten the screw down. Not all the way, but most of the way. So we'll put it there just so it's still loose like that. Now we got our other screw, and put that in through the other hole and run that down all the way. So right there is fine. And tighten up the top. And that's good. And then all we do is take the hook and just hook it back over like that. You make it straight because you could put it any which way you want. So we're just going to make that about as straight as I can see there. And now we have to tighten the set screw down. Now this is a little bit of a painstaking process because you have to, the bend in the wrench, you know, you'll have to go in on it this way like that, so you can tighten that down. So it'll take just a minute while you tighten that all down. And now you can see how the hook has been mounted. Nice flush fit, and everything's all set. So I'm going to take this little rag here and just wipe off the fingerprints. Make it look nice again. Just like that. And then you can hang that up on there just like that. Or you can take it and hang it like that. I have a larger towel here I don't have the clearance for it to fall to the floor, but just so you get the idea, you can take that and just hook it over that like that, and it'll stay. If you have a bathrobe that has one of them little loops on it like that, then that can hook on there and it'll stay real nice also. So once again, this was the LeadNear 4-pack of polished towel hooks. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find the item available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.